In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a sheet with Canva. If you've ever wondered how to manage your data easily using Canva, today's your lucky day, because I've got a simple step-by-step guide just for you. To begin, the first thing you need to do is head over to Canva and log into your account. Whether you use Canva for graphic design, presentations, or social media posts, it also offers a fantastic platform for managing and organizing data. The process is straightforward, so let's dive right in. Once you're logged in, take your cursor over to the left-hand side of your Canva dashboard. Here you'll notice various options in the menu. What we're looking for is the plus create button. Clicking this will bring up a pop-up window which houses all the different types of documents and files you can create with Canva. In this pop-up menu, focus your attention again on the left side, where you'll see an option labeled Sheets. What this does is it'll allow you to manage data in a spreadsheet format, similar to what you might do in Excel or Google Sheets. Go ahead and click on Sheets. After you've done that, another sheet option will appear. This is where you formally initiate the creation of your Canva sheet by clicking on it. You're now just one step away from having your very own sheet to work with. You're almost there. You now have a basic sheet set up in Canva. But what's a sheet without data, right? So what you'll want to do is start typing in the data directly into the cells. Or if you have structured data, consider creating a table for better organization and clarity. Tables can be a fantastic way to keep everything neat, tidy, and easily readable. And once you're satisfied with the data you've input or the table you've fashioned, it's time to share your work. Navigate towards the top right corner of the screen where you'll find the Share button. This feature is useful if you need to collaborate with others or just want to keep a backup of your work online. Next, click on the Download icon. This is how you can save your sheet to your device. It's important to ensure the file format is set to CSV. CSVs, or comma-separated values, are perfect for data transfer between different applications, making them highly versatile. Once you've confirmed the format, simply click Download. And there you have it. You've successfully created and exported a sheet using Canva. This process not only helps you manage your data effortlessly, but also opens up new possibilities for creative data presentation.